Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Kindly do me a favor. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe icon below. In today's video, we'll be making a reusable face mask, so sit tight, relax as we get started. First, we begin with drawing out our pattern. So when your pattern is done, this is what it looks like. You can see it in the video. Then you cut it out carefully. The next thing is to fold the wrong side of your fabric into 4, placing your pattern on the wrong side and cut. So the next thing is to pair the fabrics right side facing each other, then you secure with your pins. The next thing is to go to your sewing machine and sew the fabrics together. You do the same thing for both pairs. So in this video, I'll be teaching us 2 methods you could sew your face masks. Method 1. After joining both pairs, you open them up and face the 2 right side of both pairs together, securely pinning it and sewing on your machine. Then you cut out your elastic into 2 different strands. This is about 6 inches each. Then you turn your fabric inside out so that we can now have the right side. Then you fold in about 0.5 inches of your fabric, just the way I'm doing it in the video. Then you tuck in your elastic at both sides, making sure you're putting the right side and pin. Then we go to our sewing machine and sew down, repeating the same step for the other side. In method 2, you pin your elastic at the edge of one of the pairs you joined together, after which you pin the other pair to it. After pinning it, we'll go over to your sewing machine and sew, leaving about 2 inches for turning. Then you notch around your face marks. I forgot to show you how I did it in the first method. It's basically the same thing. Then you turn out your fabrics with that 2 inches we left. Then we go over to our machine and close up the 2 inches which we left for turning. You can see the side where we closed up the 2 inches opening. Here you have it. Our face mask is ready. Kindly give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.